Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Roxy. I make planning, book, and lifestyle videos. Today I'm here with a video that I'm really obsessed with watching, and it's what's in my bag. I love watching what's in my bag videos, and if you watched my last video, which was an unboxing of my SLGs, then you will know that I have some luxury bags on my wish list, and I am ready to start like building my luxury collection. But before I do that, I want to share my bag. This bag, oh my gosh, this is my bae. I have been carrying this bag for 5 years, literally every single day for 5 years. This is my only bag, and I just haven't bought another bag because I want these particular bags on my wish list, which I will be posting my wish list really soon and how I'm going to start my luxury collection. So again, if you're interested and you haven't subscribed, you guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I am trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. Last year my goal was 1,000 and we made it. We're at like 1,270. And this year, by my birthday, I'm hoping to get to 2,000, and with that I want to be able to do a giveaway. So my birthday is in October, so that is where my goal is set to be, like 2K by October. And once we get there, I'll be doing a giveaway because gifts are my love language, and as much as I love getting gifts, I love giving gifts. So I'm super excited about my little giveaway, and I love these type of videos. So I've actually never done one, so I want to do my own what's in my bag video. This bag that I'm carrying is really special to me. It is the only bag I own. Like, I own this bag and I own another bag from Target that's similar in style, but I use it for traveling. So the bag that I use is this Michael Kors, I think it's a satchel, but I got this bag for Christmas like 5 years ago. It's my favorite color. Green is my absolute favorite color, so I love this bag so much. I don't think they sell this anymore, Michael Kors. I actually got it from the PX, so like the military base, but I haven't seen it on the website. Anything in this color that Michael Kors sells, I want. Like, I searched for years for the matching wallet for this because I really just love this color. So it's nothing fancy, but it's a bag that's perfect for me and my life, really. So again, I've been carrying this bag for 5 years non-stop every single day, and it still looks so good. Like, it's just now starting to get wear like on the corners, but other than that, it looks new. And I've cleaned it like once, but I stuff it and everything, and this bag has held up so great. Even like the gold accents, like the zipper is the only part that has tarnished at all. So this is a bag that I just carry like this, or on my shoulder or on my arm. I'm really just like a handbag type of girl, but it does come with little strap things, little D-rings that you can connect the strap to make it a longer like shoulder bag. But again, this is just me, and if I really need to, I'll like put it up on my shoulder if I need to do something with both hands real quick, and the straps are perfect for that. So I have never I don't think I've ever used the actual longer strap. So the first thing I have in this bag is my wallet. So this wallet I searched for, like, I searched for years. I got this wallet last year and I've had this bag for over 5 years. So I was so happy to find this wallet, and I don't know if I said the color, but this is called Moss at Michael Kors, and I would buy every single thing in this color. They don't have anything else on the website in this color that I want, or they have like some shoes, but I don't think I would wear the shoes, so I haven't gotten them. The next thing I have, a mask, of course, and like I said, green is my favorite color, so it's the green mask. I have another mask because you can't have too many masks. I think I brought these in to wash them. So I have another mask, and my mom made these masks for me. I love them. The next thing I have is my Kindle, and if you haven't seen my unboxing and review of my Kindle video, I'll link it above and down below in the description. But this is bae, and of course I have a green case on her, and I love elephants, so I got the green elephant case. I was like, What would describe me more than this? This is literally everything I love. The next thing I have is my iPad, and I have the iPad 11-inch Pro, but I've had this for a few years. Like, I've had this for like 3 or 4 years, I think, but I love it. I don't know where the pencil is, somewhere over there. Ooh. I have some lip stuff, some lippies. This is like a lipstick, a moisturizing lip tint or something, and it's from Revlon, I want to say. I think it's Revlon, and this is the color Let Me Pink. It's cute. It's like a mauve color, and this is also a mauve color. This is from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Stunna lip paint, and it's the color Uncuffed. So I also have a scrunchie and one of my daughter's hair bows, because she's like obsessed with wearing bows in her hair, and that was my whole like first compartment here. That was everything that was in the first front part. So I think I'll move to, it has this inner zipper right here, if you can see. So I'll show you what's in here. I have some individually wrapped wet ones, and I just have 6 of these because I have kids, and I feel like wet ones work better than just hand sanitizer. Like, I feel like you're wiping the germs off. I don't know. And then feminine items, organic. If you haven't switched to organic, you guys should do that. I have napkins from when I went to eat, just in case I spill something somewhere. More feminine things. I have floss. I love this floss. It's just the Glide by Oral-B. This is the floss I love, you guys. I have a receipt. I have some children's Motrin, the chewables. I don't take pills ever, so I have to do chewable Motrins, and it works because if something happens and my kids need one, they can take one too. I have the care instructions for the bag, which also, it looks really good for 5 years. I have some hand sanitizer. I used to use Bath and Body Works before the pandemic, but since the pandemic, I've really been using Purell. Like, I'm a Purell girl now, but I really like Bath and Body Works. Hand sanitizer, I like the stress relief one in the limoncello, I think is how you say it. But yeah, it's Purell for me right now. I also haven't been to Bath and Body Works since the pandemic, honestly. I have some lotion for my hands because we're washing our hands all day. I don't really typically carry lotion in my bag. I really don't, unless it's like the little Bath and Body Works ones, but we wash our hands so much, like so much, and then on top of washing it so much, it's like constant hand sanitizer. So I find that I need a lotion nowadays. Before, I was fine with just having a little something in my car, but now I need it in my bag. After that, I have some money because I'm big ballin'. I have $2, hey. And I have some change. I'm not taking the change out. And I have these little Listerine pocket packs. You just stick them on your tongue. I would take one out, but I just touched my money and the change, so we're not gonna do that. And that's it. That's everything that was in that little pocket right there. Whew, now to the big kahuna, to the back pocket, you guys, the very back. Whew. All right, so I have my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Wait, 12 Pro Max, I think. I hate this phone, so I don't like this phone. Like, I upgraded from the 10 because my 10 I'm now using as my business phone. It died so often, so I upgraded to this, and this phone freezes so much. Like, I can be in the middle of scrolling or typing or something, and it'll just freeze, and I'll have to turn it off, turn it back on. It's annoying for something that's like $1,000. And then I have, of course, a planner, because who am I without a planner in my bag? This is my A6 Stalogy notebook. If you have not seen this planner, I will link some videos below of me setting this up. I typically use it as my journal, but I've started using it as my everyday carry this month, and I'm enjoying it. After that, I have these ear tags I'm supposed to unbox, and I'm gonna unbox them with you guys soon. I'm gonna upload a video soon. I'm waiting for my accessories to come in, but I took them out of the mail and I just stuck them in my purse. I have a pen. So this is a gel pen. It has glitter, or not glitter, little diamonds in it, and I sell these on my website. I have a straw because, you guys, I'm trying to be better about the environment, and oof, and that touch, I'm gonna have to wash it now. So I'm trying to be better about the environment and not using straws and plastic so much. So I got this little silicone straw, and it comes with a brush. It was in the little dollar spot at Target. I have chapstick. I love chapstick, brand chapstick. I usually use the cherry, but this is cotton candy, which I did not expect to be blue, but I don't know why I didn't expect it to be blue. I guess because the outside is pink. I just thought it was gonna be pink, but it's not. I have my work phone for my work. And I have some lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. I don't know the brand or anything, but if I'm wearing lip gloss, it's probably this one because I own maybe 2 lip glosses. I'm like super minimal with everything, honestly. I have 1 purse, 1 lip gloss. Like, I'm really minimal. Then I have my keys. So I have like all of my house keys and work keys separated because I'm going to put these in my little key holder that I got from Louis Vuitton, and I unboxed. If you missed that video, I'll link it below. And then I will just have my house key and my AirPods separate. So did I say car key? I have my car key and my AirPods separate. So I have the AirPods Pro, and I have a little Iron Man case on it because I love me some Iron Man, of course. And that's it. Oh wait, I have another scrunchie. You can never have too many scrunchies, okay? But that's everything that's in my bag. I love this bag so much, but I know she's ready. She's ready for a rest, and I have not bought a new bag because I've been waiting to buy like my luxury bags off my wish list. So I've just been carrying her and saving up for my dream bags. So yeah, she's ready. She's ready to go on vacation and to go in my wardrobe and just chill for a little bit. So hopefully I'll be doing some unboxings of some handbags very soon. If you're interested and you haven't found a reason to hit that subscribe button yet, you guys, some unboxings are coming. I've enjoyed doing this video for you guys today. If you have any questions, link them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.